Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to Master Plumber Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully. Without further ado, let's start.
Isang mahalagang paalala, ang mga susunod na figures ay sobrang labo. Kasing labo ng inyong relasyon, hahaha. Ihahalin tulad natin ito sa actual na figures sa board exam. Maaaring magsuot ng eyeglass para sa malinaw na viewing. Maraming salamat po.
Question number 1. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is corner bathtub. Question number 2. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is recessed bathtub. Question number 3. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is sitz bath. Question number 4. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is bidet. Question number 5. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is shower stall. Question number 6. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is shower head. Question number 7. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is overhead gain shower. Question number 8. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is pedestal lavatory. Question number 9. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is wall lavatory. Question number 10. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is corner lavatory. Question number 11. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is handicapped lavatory. Question number 12. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is dental lavatory. Question number 13. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is standard kitchen sink. Question number 14. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is kitchen sink, R and L drain board. Question number 15. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is kitchen sink, LH drain board. Question number 16. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is combination sink and dishwasher. Question number 17. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is combination sink and laundry tray. Question number 18. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is service sink. Question number 19. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is wash sink, wall type. Question number 20. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is wash sink. Question number 21. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is laundry tray, single. Question number 22. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is laundry tray, double. Question number 23. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is water closet, tank type. Question number 24. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is water closet, integral tank. Question number 25. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is water closet, flush valve, floor outlet. Question number 26. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is water closet, flush valve, wall hung. Question number 27. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is urinal, wall hung. Question number 28. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is urinal, stall. Question number 29. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is urinal, trough type. Question number 30. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is drinking fountain, recessed. Question number 31. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is drinking fountain, semi-recessed. Question number 32. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is drinking fountain, projecting type. Question number 33. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is hot water tank. Question number 34. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is water heater. Question number 35. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is meter. Question number 36. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is hose rack. Question number 37. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is hose bib. Question number 38. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is gas outlet. Question number 39. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is vacuum outlet. Question number 40. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is drain. Question number 41. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is grease separator. Question number 42. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is oil separator. Question number 43. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is clean out. Question number 44. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is garage drain. Question number 45. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is floor drain with backwater valve. Question number 46. Identify the given plumbing symbol. The answer is roof sump. And that's all for this set. Now, put your score in the comment section. If you find this video interesting and informative, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thank you and good luck, future master plumbers.